Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Tapplock Lite. Tapplock Lite is a brand new, smaller version of the Tapplock. This is the original version. Worked good for me. It's kind of beat up right now because I use it at the gym. You do is press the bottom up, lights up, press, and it pops right open. Very good, but I wanted something a little bit smaller, so I picked this up from Tap. This is a Bluetooth version. This is smart fingerprint padlock, lightweight lifestyle lock. Also, it's designed to go for the go. It's designed for on the go. In the house, on the go, Tapplock Lite boasts a strong light metal chassis and packs Tapplock's advanced fingerprint technology. Tapplock is the perfect portable lifestyle lock. 3 ways to lock: lightning fast fingerprint access, Bluetooth access via the Tapplock app, or set your own combination to unlock via Morse code. And as you can see in the back, you use your Tapplock app to open up the lock without having to use your own fingerprint. Sharing is easy. Also says it's a state-of-the-art capacitive fingerprint sensor. Allows unlocking in under 0.8 seconds. Adaptive algorithm means the lock becomes faster and more accurate with each access. And this can also store up to 100 different fingerprint locks. Let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so here you have the lock revealed. Put this down, and that's all you get in the box. That's the lock. Okay, so here's the lock. Okay, and this is how you charge it up. Use a standard. Doesn't look like a USB-C, look like a standard USB-A. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to charge this up and then come back and demonstrate how this works. Okay, let's see if there's anything deep into this box that I missed out on. Okay, yes, we do have a set of USB cables, type A, and a manual to show how to use the Tapplock. Okay, so once I charge this up, it lasts up to 8 months per 2-hour charge time. It takes 2 hours to charge up. Wow. Front view. Okay, I'm going to charge this up and see what we get. Okay, I'm going to try to enter Bluetooth mode. Hold down the lock till it turns blue. Okay. I'm going to go into the phone. It says searching. Okay, we got it working. Do a photo later. Click here to remove fingerprints. Okay, add a fingerprint. Thumb. Correction. Right hand. Thumb. Add fingerprint. Yay, got it. Let's go to right hand again. Add fingerprint. Whoops. Hey, got it again. All right. Okay, let's get out of this mode. Whoa! Pops right open. Let's try this finger. Whoa! Pops right open. Okay, and that is the Tapplock from Tapplock, the Tapplock Lite. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.